Good evening and welcome to our virtual open house. My name is Michelle Vella and I'm the principal here at James Monroe Middle School. While we know that this school year is unorthodox and different, please know we are all working hard to make this experience as close to school as possible while not overwhelming students and causing any undue stress on families. I hope you enjoy your evening, meeting all of your child's teachers and getting a glimpse into what they are spending their days doing. If you have any questions or concerns, please email me. You can find my email address on the James Monroe website. Thank you and enjoy your evening.
Good evening, James Monroe families. My name is Trini Gallegos and I am the assistant principal. Although the school year started in a non-traditional format, we are thrilled that students are learning and interacting with their peers and teachers. Teachers have spent countless hours preparing to create the best possible learning environment for students. We would like to thank you, parents and guardians, for your continued support and constant communication with our staff. Please feel free to reach out as necessary. If you need to get in contact with me, my email is located on the school home webpage. Students, we look forward to seeing you in January face-to-face. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.
I'm Mr. Hendricks. I am the Dean of Students, one of the Dean of Students. Next to me is Mr. Lopez. We had our masks on, but we are taking them off now because we are outside and we are 6 feet apart from each other. Our jobs at this school is to help you succeed. Sometimes that means discipline, so you're in our offices because you're in trouble. Sometimes it's giving you support when you don't have the support that you really need.
I'm Mr. Lopez. I'm the new dean at the school. My office will be in the counselor's office. If you need anything, you come see me there. And our focus, again, like Mr. was saying, is schools are student success. So anything we can do to help you have a better experience at school, that's what we're here to do.
Hi everyone, my name is Angel Mglada and I am the 6th grade counselor here at James Monroe. The best way to reach me is by email.
Hi everyone, my name is Melissa Pettis and I am the 7th grade counselor here at James Monroe. The best way to reach me is by email.
Hi everybody, I'm Sheila Barber and I'm the 8th grade counselor here at James Monroe this year. The best way to reach me is by email.